Every clip in this video was generated by Gemini AI from a single photo. No complex prompting, no video camera, no editing software. Google just launched a dedicated video workspace inside Gemini, and it doesn't work the way most AI video tools do. There's no paragraph-long prompt or complicated interface. You pick a motion template, upload an image, and Gemini generates a video clip from it. The whole process takes a few minutes, and the result is a polished clip that would require a complicated prompt to be created in any other AI video generator tool. But with Gemini AI, you only need a photo and 2 clicks. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, give you an honest look at the quality you can expect right now, and generate a few clips so you have a full view of what this Gemini AI upgrade can do for you, even if you've never touched a video generation tool in your life. If you find this useful, gently tap that like button. It really helps more people find this. Let's get into it. Here's exactly what I did. I went to Google Gemini, went to the left side of the dashboard, and clicked on Videos. As you can see, there are several video templates you can use. I clicked the Step into History template. Then I uploaded a photo and didn't type a prompt. I didn't type or describe anything. Then I waited a few minutes. The generation time varies depending on the template, but expect to wait a few minutes. The wait is worth it because what came back was a 10-second video clip of me in a completely different environment, in motion, with cinematic camera movement that matched the style I picked, from a single still photo with 2 clicks. Now here's something worth knowing. You can also add a basic prompt alongside the template if you want more control over the result. You don't have to. The template and the photo are enough on their own. But if there's something specific you want in the video, you can type a simple direction to guide it. Nothing complex, because the main prompt structure is already embedded in the template. And I'll be honest with you about the quality. The face consistency is not perfect. If you look closely, my face shifts slightly between frames. It's good, but it's not flawless, and I think it's important to show you what this actually looks like right now instead of overselling it. That said, for something that required 2 clicks and 0 editing, the result is genuinely impressive, and this is the first version of this tool. And if you're watching this and already thinking about how you'd use this, drop a comment below and tell me what kind of video clip you'd create first. Now, of course, you can still type a prompt to create videos like in other AI video generator tools, but using an image and picking a template is as easy as it gets, and it's the main workflow. But there are a couple of other ways to create videos in Gemini that are worth knowing about. First, you can generate videos from a text description. Instead of uploading an image, you type what you want to see in the prompt bar. The scene, the mood, the action, and Gemini generates a clip based on that description. But from what I've tested, the image upload route gives you more control over the result because Gemini has something specific to work with. Second, you can choose the aspect ratio before generating. Right now, it supports 16:9 for landscape and 9:16 for vertical. That means you can create clips sized for YouTube and desktop content in landscape, or for shorts, reels, and TikTok in vertical. And third, there's an avatar feature that's still in beta. When you click Add Your Avatar, Gemini asks you to scan a QR code with your phone and record a quick selfie video to capture your face and voice. I haven't fully tested this one yet, but the concept is significant. You could generate video content of yourself with your voice in any environment without a camera setup. If you missed part 1, where I covered Gemini's new image dashboard, the one where you pick a style, upload a photo, and get a polished image in 10 seconds with 0 prompting, you can watch that right here. And by the way, this is just part 2 of my Gemini series. In my next video, I'm covering how Gemini can now create songs with lyrics, vocals, and custom cover art from a single sentence or image. If you don't want to miss that one, subscribe so you see it the moment it drops. I will see you in the next one, and let's thrive with AI together.